Are you guys facing this error of package this percent is missing while updating your MacBook from Big Sur to Monterey? Now here's a simple trick in this video I'll be showing you, and you can follow this trick and update your macOS from Big Sur to Monterey. And this is a working trick. I've tried it on my M1 MacBook Air, and watch this video completely to update your macOS safely. Now without wasting your precious time, let's get started. Top to the Apple menu and click on System Preferences. Once you are in here, all you need to do is find the security and privacy. So yeah, there you go, it's right here. And once you click on it, you will be right here. So you need to click on this firewall, and once you are in this firewall, you need to turn off this firewall. So you can do that by clicking on this lock button right there and click on use password, and there you go, you need to unlock it. And basically you need to turn off the firewall. So firewall is now off, and once you have done this, now you need to go to the system about this Mac and click update. Now I've already updated my MacBook. I am having M1 MacBook Air of 2020, and I have successfully updated my macOS Monterey with this trick. So if this trick helps you, I would appreciate if you just like the video so that other people might find this video genuine and helpful. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.